Hello guys, welcome back to Simply Niqua and thank you for clicking on this video. So today I'm going to give you some romance movie recommendations that I love and off of this awesome website that I found that you need to check out if you don't know it already, and it has amazing movies on here, so it's just right in time for Valentine's Day if you want to check out some Lovey Dovey romance movies for Valentine's Day, or like me, any time of the year, because nobody has a love life over here. So let's go ahead and get this video started so I can tell you these awesome movies, and let's get started. Okay, so nobody asked for this, like nobody, so I'm just gonna do it because I want to do it, and I want to give you some recommendations because I know some good recommendations of romance movies because I read a lot of romance books, so I just want to tell you about it. So the website, the mysterious website that I was talking about is Passionflix. Passionflix is like Netflix or any other kind of like subscription thing, and you can browse what movies they have in the description of it for free at first, and if you like any of the movies and you want to watch some of the movies, then you will have to pay to look at these movies, which is just $5.99. So it's not bad a price. It's always like a newer website if you didn't know about this website already. So as I said before, there are some amazing, great, loving romance movies on here. The whole objective of this website is about romance movies, especially the latest, newest movies that they made based off of romance novels. I am going to tell you some movies that I suggest you watch if you click on this website and get this going. So the first movie that I suggest you to watch, it is called Driven, and Driven is based off a novel. So Driven, the movie, is based off the first book of Driven, the book. This one's a little different than the other ones. The other ones are just movies, like an hour and a half or so movies, and where this one, where they cut it down into episodes. So there's 6 episodes for this first book, and they're about 30 minutes each. And I'm going to tell you like the description they have on the website, so you just have like what it is. So Colton Donovan lives in a razor-thin edge towards out of control, whether it's on the track or off of it, because he's a NASCAR driver, and everything he wants is at his fingertips, like success, willing woman, media attention. So everything is but Riley, which is the main character that he falls in love with, and she is an exception that this reckless bad boy can't seem to win over. Her heart is healing, his soul is damaged. They both know the two of them could never work, but he crashes into her life without an apology, disrupting her world, testing her boundaries, and uncovering the darkness of her past. Their chemistry is undeniable, their attraction is magnetic, their ability to help each other heal obvious, and even though he won't let her in, like everyone else, there's something about Colton she can't walk away from. This is the beginning of their story, their fight, their perfectly imperfect love, and that is like that's the description of this movie, and it's crazy good. Like the ending, if you haven't read the book, the ending was a shocker because I haven't read the book of this yet, and it was totally unexpected. This ending was, and it's like really like sad and like, oh my gosh. So I 100% recommend you to watch this movie and to like love it, because I loved it. And watching this like series of episodes of this book makes me want to read the rest of the books, because I want to know what happened to Colton and Riley. Like this was insane. So, but insane good. That's like the first movie I recommend to you guys. Off to the second one. Okay, the second book that I recommend you to watch and love, Okay, this one was called Afterburn Aftershock, and this movie was based off the book by Sylvia Day. This one was also another good movie and very spicy and saucy movie. So the description of this that is off the website as well. This one says businesswoman Gina Ross is determined to be successful in her new job, like any determined woman. But when her ex-lover Jackson waltz right back into her life, their passionate connection ignites not only in the boardroom but in the bedroom. That one's really good too. You're probably gonna hear that throughout the whole video. That one's pretty good, that one's pretty good, because they're all good and I like them all, because I wouldn't have recommended you to look at these movies if there wasn't good. Like, each of these movies makes you fall in love with the characters, makes you want to be the main girl character in the movie because you just like the guy who is acting as the other guy in the book, and you just want to be the girl and you can't be, and then you just know that your love life is pretty pathetic and not going anywhere. So yeah, next movie, number 3. Well, that was 6, but 3. So this one was kind of like a newer one, but it was like for Christmas, and it aired in December, but even though it's kind of like a Christmassy movie, it's still a good romance movie, and it is called Mr. 365. And the description of this movie says, based on the book by best-selling author Ruth Camplett, hardworking reality TV producer Sophia may have struck gold with Will. So Sophia and Will, they're the two main characters. Will is a guy who celebrates Christmas 365 days. So he does that, and he also has a house elaborately decorated year-round to prove it. When Will turns out not to be some eccentric holiday nut, but a handsome, mysterious guy with a deep emotional connection to Christmas, Sophia finds herself falling for him and learning from her holiday spirit, all while attempting to navigate a high-stake demands of reality TV. That one was a very loving, sweet movie, and just got you into like the holiday spirit, but also get filled with joy to see other people falling in love and see it basically, and you know, the guy is hot, so it just like it's easy to watch. And yeah, so that was my recommendation. My third one, watch it. It was good. You're gonna fall in love with them or him. Okay, this next one is like one of the first ones that I looked at, and it's called Hollywood Dirt. And so the description of this one is Cole, abandoned by his superstar wife, Hollywood's perfect husband, is now Hollywood's sexiest bachelor. Party hard and screwing even harder. Summer Jenkins, which is the girl, that's me, a small town girl stuck in Quincy, Georgia. I cooked some mean chicken and dumplings, can buffalo a grown man out of his savings in poker, and was voted the most friendly my senior year. We were from different worlds, our lives shouldn't have collided. But then Cole read a book about my small town, and 6 months later, his jet landed on our dusty airstrip, and he brought Hollywood with him. From the start, I knew he was the trouble for our town and for me. Sometimes opposites just aren't meant to attract, but they do attract, and that was a really good movie. Like, I really loved that one, and I watched that a couple times, and it was just like a loving story and spicy and saucy, and like it was really good, and it just makes you feel good. Like, all these movies makes you feel good, and why not watch it? So this next one was a pretty fun one, and but like quirky and fun and a little crazy to watch. But this one's called The Matchmakers Playbook, and the description of this is a little lengthy, but it says, after a career-ending accident, former NFL recruit Ian is back on campus and he's ready to get his new game on. As one of the masterminds behind Wingman Inc., a successful and secretive word-to-mouth dating service, he's putting his extensive skills with women to work for the lovelorn. But when Blake, the girl, requests the services of Wingman Inc., Ian may have landed his most hopeless client yet. From her frumpy athletic gear to her unfortunate choice of footwear, Blake is going to need a miracle if she wants to land her crush. At least with a professional matchmaker by her side, she was a fighting chance. Ian knows that his advice and a makeover can turn Blake into another successful match. But as Blake begins the transformation from a hot mess to a smoking hot, Ian realizes he's in danger by breaking his cardinal rule, which is don't date your clients and fall in love with your clients, and he fell in love with her. So watch this movie and see like how he transforms into really like her. Like, he liked her from the get-go, but it transformed into love near the end, and it was just a good story. Like I said, it was different, quirky, funny, lovey, and yeah, watch it. That's all I can say is watch it and experience for yourself. Experience it for yourself. And another little like cool thing, if you subscribe to this Passionflix website now and watch some cool, loving, awesome movies for Valentine's Day, you have this for a month at least, and you will be already subscribed to watch the upcoming movie called The Protector by Jodie Ellen Mills, and I am excited to watch it. It's gonna be good. I will leave a link down below to like trailer of this down below. It comes out on this month on the 28th, and I am excited. I want it to be the 28th now. So like I said, there's plenty many more old to new romance movies you can watch on there, and even some upcoming ones, so you can watch them and subscribe to it and be ready for it. If you like this video or liked my recommendations and are going to subscribe and check this out, go down below and give me some comments and tell me if you are. I would like to know. And while you're down there, you can also subscribe to my YouTube channel and also give me a like, because you're gonna like these movies. I tell you, you're gonna love it. So thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you back next week, and I hope you have a wonderful Valentine's Day no matter what you do. And goodbye.